If we look at water, there is strong covalent bonds between the H and O atoms. But it is the intermolecular attraction force that holds all the water molecules, all the H2Os, in place in a liquid state. These intermolecular forces are pretty weak. So when a physical change such as boiling or freezing happens, it is the intermolecular forces that are broken, not the covalent bonds. A substance with molecules with intermolecular forces between them are called simple molecular structures. H2O, CO2, CH4, NH3 and C₂H4 are just some examples of simple molecular structures. Here are a few properties of simple structures. Firstly, substances with simple molecular structures tend to be gases, liquids or solids with low melting and boiling points. Next, as the relative molecular mass increases, the intermolecular force increases as well. Simple molecular substances do not conduct electricity due to the fact that covalent substances do not have an overall electric charge. Covalent molecules are usually insoluble in water. Next, we are going to be talking about giant covalent structures. Diamond is a form of pure carbon. It is a giant covalent structure. Each carbon has 4 electrons in its outer shell and therefore forms 4 covalent bonds. In a diamond, each carbon atom bonds strongly to 4 other atoms in a tetrahedral arrangement, as you can see in the diagram. Here are some of the properties of diamond. Diamond has a very high melting and boiling point. In general, all substances with giant covalent structures are solids with high melting and boiling points because a lot of energy has to be supplied to break all the strong covalent bonds. Diamond is very hard, and diamond does not conduct electricity because all the electrons in the outer shell of the carbon atoms are tightly held in covalent bonds between the atoms. Graphite is another form of carbon, but the atoms are arranged differently, although it still has a giant covalent structure. Graphite is a soft material. Although the forces holding the atoms together in each layer are very strong, the attraction between the layers are very weak. Graphite is mixed with clay and used in pencils as the lead. Graphite has high melting and boiling points. Graphite conducts electricity. It is one of the only non-metals that conduct electricity. Along with diamond and graphite is C₆ Fullerine. But a difference between C₆ Fullerine and diamond and graphite is that C₆ Fullerine has a simple molecular structure in contrast to diamond and graphite. In a solid or liquid C₆ Fullerine, there are C₆ molecules with weak intermolecular forces between them. The fact that C₆ has a simple molecular structure has a big influence on its properties. Let's take a look at them. C₆ Fullerine has a lower melting and boiling point than diamond and graphite. C₆ Fullerine is not as hard as diamond, and C₆ Fullerine does not conduct electricity. Well, that's all for today. If you preferred it instead of a whack in the face with your textbook, then like and consider subscribing.